One important part of pumping is thoroughly cleaning and sanitizing your breast pump accessories. What you want to do is you want to clean your breast pump accessories after every time you pump. So that could be as often as a couple times a day. And once a day, you want to sanitize them. I'm going to walk through this process with you guys now, okay? So here I have some of my breast pump accessories. These are my breast shields. And I'm going to just drop these into warm, sudsy water. These are the caps to which my tubing attaches. Those also go in my warm, sudsy water. Here's my tubing that goes in my warm, sudsy water. And then I have my connectors with my membranes. Those also go in warm, sudsy water. I take the membranes out. So I soak all this for 5 minutes at least in warm, sudsy water, and then I rinse. And I do this after every time that I pump, okay? So now I'm gonna rinse this, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I sanitize all this stuff, and that's something you wanna do one time a day, once per day. All right, so let's rinse this out. I'm going over to my sink now. And when I rinse, I use cool water. With the tubing, I allow the cold water to just run through the tubing like this to make sure there's no suds left in it. One thing you can also do is keep all of this stuff in your bathroom. And that can be more convenient for you. Just keep a bowl in there with warm, sudsy water. And maybe that's more convenient if you're pumping in your bedroom. Oh, one thing I wanted to show you guys. When I clean my breast shields, I actually put my finger in here with the soap and I go along like this because I tend to find that a lot of fat particles in breast milk gets caught here. And these can be a bit like hard and stubborn to clean. So you really want to look at them and make sure that they're very, very clean. So at this point, my water is clear and my breast pump accessories are clean and they're ready to go. So now I'm going to walk you guys through how I sanitize these. Now, you have to distinguish between sanitizing and sterilizing. Technically, you can't sterilize this stuff unless you're in a fully sterile environment, and your household is not going to be a fully sterile environment, but you can sanitize them. Now, there are a couple ways to sanitize. Some people put tablets into water. Other people use sanitizing bags, which they put the equipment into and they microwave them. I've never done this. What I've always done is just the traditional boiling. I have a big cauldron. Here's my cauldron. I boil the water. It is recommended that you do this for 5 to 10 minutes. I feel like 10 minutes is a long time. We're talking about relatively thin plastic, so I just do it for 5 minutes. And I actually don't put in all the parts. I do put in my breast shields because those I know are fine to sanitize. I put in my caps because those also I know are fine in terms of being in boiling water. I do sanitize the connectors. I personally do not sanitize the very thin plastic membranes nor the tubing because it's just such thin plastic, and I've actually read conflicting views on this. Some people say you can boil it, some people say you can't boil it, so I just don't boil it. I wash it really, really thoroughly with warm soapy water. I rinse it very, very well. So this I'm going to leave on my towel for now. And the rest of my stuff is now in my boiling water. I'm going to allow it to boil for 5 minutes. I'm going to stand here right next to it because I don't want it to boil for longer. So once 5 minutes have elapsed, there's 2 ways you can get this stuff out. I use a big sieve like this, or you can use tongs. So I just dip in with my sieve, I shake out my breast pump equipment, and there it goes right onto a clean towel. I allow it to air dry, and then I'm all set. One other thing you have to remember to do, wash your hands thoroughly before you do all of this. And then, once you have all your breast pump equipment, make sure you keep it in a clean place. You might want to have a plastic box in your bathroom or another clean place where you keep it all handy and ready for you to pump when you need to. So that as soon as you're ready to pump, boom, all your stuff is there nice and clean and you're ready to go. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Check back in for more videos on the first year with your baby, and see you back soon on Cloudmom.com.